This tutorial shows you how to stop app recommendations from appearing. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Personalization. From there, click on Start. At this point, look for the toggle labeled Show Recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. In the next step, toggle it off. Following this, this stops suggested apps and recommendations from appearing in the Start menu going forward. Once done, click on the Start menu to check that the Recommended Apps section is no longer showing. From here, keep in mind this also removes other suggestions windows may show, like recently used files or tips, since they're grouped under the same setting. At this stage, if you'd only like to hide app suggestions specifically while keeping recent files visible, check if a more specific toggle is available depending on your Windows version. Keep in mind, Microsoft periodically changes how granular these settings are, so newer updates may split this into separate toggles instead of one combined option. Finally, close the settings window once you've confirmed suggested apps are no longer appearing. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable suggested apps in the Start menu on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.